Otherwise, this will happen to you.
And spit on that thing, you get me?
Yeah. Oh, no. So the Hawk Tuah girl created a meme coin.
My Hawk meme coin is live!
And then she defrauded everyone, and people lost millions of dollars. The Hawk Tuah meme coin devs made millions of dollars in minutes, and then they dumped all the supply, which they were holding, and rugged, as it's called, pulled the rug out from their investors. Okay, so here's the timeline of what happened. People were losing tens of thousands of dollars when they were investing, and within 30 minutes, all of their investments went to literally zero.
I'm not a crypto guy, but the reason I'm showing you this because literally every day, at least 3 to 5 people ask me whether they should invest in crypto in order to make money. And I tell them what I think. That may be right to you or wrong to you, but here is what I think. Whether you want to do crypto or not, here is something you need to understand. You want to make money. Question, where is the money? Answer, in other people's wallet. How do their $10 come to you? There is only one way you can take their $10 and put into your pocket is by offering them $15 in exchange. So you give them $15, you take $10 from them. If you do that, literally everyone will accept. However, it's not possible. So instead of offering $15 cash, we offer $15 of value. But here is the problem. A lot of cases, value is subjective. So you can't just tell them, hey, this has $15 value and you should buy it right now. Unfortunately, they won't until you sell it to them. So here's an example. I have a coffee mug and I don't need one. And somebody is saying, I will give you this coffee mug, give me $10. I will have to say no because I just don't want it right now, don't need it right now. Even if the value of the mug is $15, I'm not going to take it, I don't need it. You can still make it happen if you make a crazy offer. So instead of selling $15 value for $10, you go and sell $150 value. And still you have to sell because value is subjective. Even at that point, people will think until you add a reason for this transaction. And the reason can be anything. But the problem is, reason is logic. And people don't buy with logic. People buy using emotion. So you need to add emotion to it. You can add an emotion called scarcity. For example, Black Friday deals. The Black Friday deals are going to be over after the Black Friday is gone. Due to this scarcity, people will accept the reason for the transaction even if they don't need it. Now go back a little bit and find the value. How do you know something is valuable to someone? Go and ask people. Or in other words, do some research what's valuable to them. Now this lady, Hawk Tuah girl, found something that is valuable to people. It's money, but she found a vehicle. Now this Hawk Tuah girl discovered a value that people are going to pay millions of dollars for. And that is money, but she needed a vehicle. She found a vehicle that's called crypto. And because she is a meme queen, she created a meme coin. The problem for you is that you cannot just create a meme coin because you are not a meme king or meme queen. So your value need to be something else that you can deliver. So how do you start? And how do you start making money? By offering value, sell people with reason and scarcity. Step number 1, you go back to your timeline. How much time do you have per day? You work from 9 to 5. You're completely busy this time. You cannot do anything. Then you commute 1 hour in the evening and commute 1 hour in the morning. And you go to bed at 10 p.m. and you sleep until 5 a.m. These are the times you are completely out. You cannot try anything. You spend 2 hours here, family time and personal time, and let's say 1 hour in the morning, personal time and family time. Then my friend, you still have 2 hours in the evening and 2 hours in the morning. However, after you come back from work, you are completely tired. Do you agree? So the best and the most effective time to try a side hustle is these 2 hours. Now everyone has 2 hours to try a side hustle. And if you can take a little bit of time from here and there from other activities, you may add 1 or even 2 hours. So if you can manage 4 hours per day for a side hustle, do you think you can learn these things, create value and make money? So let's say you have 3 hours. These are the 3 hours. You divide each hour in 30-minute slots. 30 minutes you study something. 30 minutes you try it. These 30 minutes are spent to learn new skills. Can be AI, can be copywriting, can be email writing. These 30-minute slots are to learn old skills that you already know, but you want to learn more. Let's say copywriting, sales, graphic design, AI. This 30 minutes is to learn, and this 30 minutes is to practice. Now, these 1 hour, 30 minutes and 30 minutes should be spent on selling and correcting your previous mistakes. Now, do you think after spending 3 hours every day and doing it for 30 days, which is total 90 hours spent on a side hustle, you will become a totally different person than you are today? It can even be crypto. Instead of putting your hard-earned money into something that you have no idea of, go to Twitter and search with crypto. Spend your 3 hours time strategically in 30 minutes slot. In 30 days, you will be more knowledgeable about crypto or any other knowledge, skill, or side hustle than anyone else. At least you will not make stupid mistakes and invest in something like this. Now, after trying to sell something and correcting yourselves along the way, let's say in 7 days of trying one thing, you made some money. Not a lot of money, you made some money. Do you know what you just gained? It is called experience that no one can take away from you. Now, if you were selling website design, for an example, you can use this and sell even more. You can use this money for advertisements. You can use this money as a proof that your website designs work, or people love your design, or you made money doing it. So now you opened more avenues to generate more revenue. So my friend, time is valuable, and we all have time. We just need to be strategic and disciplined about how we use our time and get results. When we get results, we leverage that and we get more results out of it. I did not start a coaching, mentorship, and done-for-you program for beginners and actually got them results without doing it myself. I have done it myself for years, more than a decade, made over $10 million. And then I started teaching people. And to this date, I keep learning and keep improving. But now I don't learn alone. I learn with my team. Plus, I learn using AI. So the learning is faster than before. When the learning is faster, the progress is also faster and steeper. So the summary is, if you see a trend where knowledge and skill building is involved in order to get results with that trend, you can take that seriously and put it in your to-do list. But if you see that you just have to invest money in order to make money, then be careful. Because before investing money, you need to spend a lot of time, effort to actually learn about that trend or topic, become skilled, and hopefully you will get results. I hope you got some value from this video. If yes, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel so you can get notified when we upload our next video. And one more thing, these students got into a program. This program starts with a free training video. Absolutely free to watch. The link is in the description. Go watch that video, enjoy how we make money, what exact skills you need to learn, and how we help these beginner members earn high-ticket affiliate commission. The video is completely free to watch, and at the end of the video, you will learn about our program. Link is in the description. Hope to see you there. And if you want to watch more money videos, more free traffic videos, then watch these videos and these videos. We'll see you on the next one.